Customer testimonials offer social proof, build trust, and provide valuable insights to potential customers. But how do you create a compelling testimonial video that resonates with your audience? Welcome back to Local Marketing Insights with Local Leap. I'm Judd, and today I'm giving you a step-by-step guide to creating great customer testimonial videos. Step 1, identify your star customers. Look for the ones who've had a positive experience with your product or service, who are the most satisfied with your work and are willing to share their story on camera. A great place to start is by reaching out to customers who've already provided some kind of positive feedback, like a 5-star Google review. Step 2, set the stage. Choose a location that's comfortable for the customer and that reflects your brand. It could be at your place of business, the customer's home or office, or some other location that's relevant to your industry. Pro tip, the background needs to be clean and clutter-free with good lighting if you're not able to provide your own, and free of background noise. Step 3, plan your questions. Your customers are smart people, but sometimes when smart people get in front of a camera, they don't know what to say. You should prepare a list of open-ended questions that will prompt them to share their experience with your product or service in detail. Ask about their challenges before using your product, how your product or service solved those challenges, and the results they've seen since. You may also want to ask them about specific features or aspects of your product or service that stood out to them. Step 4, lights, camera, action. You want to make yourself and your customer look good. So when it comes to filming, quality matters. Invest in good lighting and audio equipment to ensure clear visuals and sound. It doesn't have to be the most expensive, but it needs to be good. We'll drop some links to equipment we recommend in the description. If you really want to up your game, multiple camera angles can add a lot of visual interest and variety to the video and keep viewers engaged. And don't forget to coach your customer on speaking naturally and authentically. Encourage them to share their story in their own words without scripting or rehearsing too much. I like to tell people I'm interviewing, don't worry about the camera, just talk to me, like we're having a conversation. A quick caveat to step 4, maybe your budget doesn't allow you to invest in a lot of video equipment at the moment, or you don't feel like you have the expertise needed for that kind of setup. Don't let that stop you. You probably have a portable video studio right in your pocket. Go ahead and shoot your customer testimonial on your smartphone. Something is better than nothing, and you might be surprised what you can create. Step 5, edit like a pro. Pacing and flow are going to be the keys to ensuring that your video holds the viewer's attention from start to finish. You want to begin by trimming the fat. Keep only the most impactful moments. You may want to add B-roll, music, and graphics to enhance the storytelling, but keep in mind that the testimonial is more important than the bells and whistles. And remember too that captions will make your video accessible to a wider audience. Step 6, share and showcase. Once your video is polished and ready to go, it's time to share it with the world. Post it on your website, on your social media channels, email newsletters to maximize exposure. A great idea is to build a dedicated landing page or section on your website where visitors can view all your customer testimonials in one place. And don't forget to ask the customer to share it with their network too. Word of mouth is a powerful marketing tool, so leverage your customer's network to expand your reach even further. Step 7, measure and learn. After sharing your testimonial video, take the time to analyze its performance. Track metrics, views, engagement, and conversion rates will help you gauge the testimonial's effectiveness. You also want to pay attention to comments and feedback from viewers. All this information will be incredibly helpful for creating future video content. There you go, 7 steps to creating a great customer testimonial video. Remember, authenticity is key, so let your customers' voices shine through. By following these steps, you can create compelling testimonial videos that resonate with your audience and drive results for your business. Hey, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more local marketing insights with Local Leap.